Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review and unboxing from Sparimo. This is a company that makes bath bombs, lip scrubs, sugar scrubs, soaps, and much more. You can buy them individually from their store, or you can get a subscription. So for $37.95 a month with free shipping, you get 7 products, and you do get to customize them, so you can go on their store and actually select what's coming in your subscription box. So it's a really fun idea. So let's take a look at what's inside. The first thing I'm pulling out is a natural soap bar, the scent High Heaven. Very nicely packaged. Very pretty. It smells great. Does have a little traces of mica running through it, so very pretty. I watch a lot of soap making on YouTube. I've never tried it myself, but I love watching people make soap. So this is pretty cool to have a handmade soap. Also have a bath bomb in the scent Rosebud. It is a pretty big size bath bomb. Very nice, pretty pink color. And definitely smells like roses. Really great scent. Also in the scent High Heaven, I think this is a lotion. I'll go ahead and open it and try it out. So it looks like it's pretty nice and thick. It smells really good and absorbs really quickly into your skin. It's not greasy feeling. Very nice. I can never have enough hand lotion. I have very dry skin. So yeah, I do like that. It's pretty nice. There's a couple more products in here. This is Double Love. I think this is bubbling bath salts. And it has a very nice, kind of clean, fresh scent to it. And the last thing in the box is Purple Paradise. Ooh, very pretty. So this is another bath bomb. Has some gold mica on it. All different shades and specks of purple. I don't know if the camera's picking up on that, but it's light purple, dark purple. And then some mica. Very pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert a demo. I don't know if I'm gonna do both of them or just one, but I will insert some clips here at the end so you can see these products in action, and I will link their website below in case you're interested in ordering anything. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.